everybody, this is Ayman Abdul. Welcome to my channel once again. Hope you're all doing good and safe. Today's video is about the Saudi Falcon exhibition happening in Riyadh. This is one of the greatest show which is happening in Riyadh after the COVID restrictions post-COVID. It is happening in Malham, which is exactly 75 kilometers from Riyadh, in King Abdulaziz Exhibition Center. This is one of the greatest events. It compromises exhibition about different type of falcons from Middle East, and also it exhibits different hunting accessories and hunting equipments and weapons exhibitions also, and also it is exhibits different type of camping vehicles, camping accessories, camping equipments, and also outdoor vehicle exhibition also is happening. So it's a very interesting place for kids and family. It is the entry is based on booking. You have to go to the website of Saudi Falcon Club and then register your tickets. For certain category the tickets are free, certain category it is paid. I will link the description with the details of the website and portals, so please visit the website and try to visit soon, because in a couple of days the event will be finishing. I had a chance to visit and it was a great experience. I had a chance to see different type of falcons ranging from 15,000 riyal until lakhs of riyal. It's unbelievable how the price and the craze for this particular bird is in this part of the world. So there were people from different part of Middle East. There were people from Emirates, there were people from Qatar, and also obviously many local falcon exhibitors also. So please check out the video, do like, share and subscribe, and let me know your feedback through comments, and stay tuned for more updates from Riyadh, and do follow me on Instagram for more stories. So please support. Thank you. Thanks again.
Up to 92 flights. Then if you take two, you get 20 real discounts, 160 real.
You can use.
Then it can last you a very long time. No shelf life, waterproof, wind pump, never last.
Again. Even the water.
I can give you one piece, two pieces.
It's rainbow. Let's start it again. It's from South Africa.
South Africa?
And the honor is Seattle, Bin Hamid Hunter.
Oh, okay.
See, this water.
Yeah, great.
So you can use it and totally safe. No damage hands, no and lifetime guarantee. It's not expired. It's named Green Fire.
Green Fire.